So how to find number fast in a large data? Okay, so I have an example here that is there are a lot of numbers, no? So by the way, that is the from 1 to 10 example. And now we need to use conditional formatting to check all the same numbers. Example, 7 to 7, 5 and 5, and how many fives in this data, and how many 7, how many 10 numbers, so on and so forth. So now let's start with the how to use the conditional formatting to find easily the data that you need. For example, you need to look for uh, the between 5 to 7 numbers, 5 to 10 numbers. So you need to use the conditional formatting. First, you need to highlight all the data. Highlight lang natin kasi medyo marami. Kasi kung iisa-isahin mo yan, so mahihirapan ka kung anong data na. Saan or ilan yung numbers na hanapin mo. So we need to use the conditional formatting. Next, you need to click this one, the conditional formatting. So click lang natin conditional formatting. Then we need to click this one. So there are a lot of choice. There are many choices. There are many choices. No, example, we need to look for the greater than, less than, between, equal, text that contains, or example that is the duplicate values. So meaning conditional formatting to help you to find easily the numbers or the data that you need for. Okay, so ganito gagawin natin. So first, naka-highlight na, and i-check natin yung greater than, no? So dito muna tayo sa highlight cells rules. Click greater than. Meaning yung greater than, pag greater than 5.5, so meaning yung hahanapin niya is beyond 5.5, is lahat ng number na lalabas. Okay, click okay lang. Okay, so meaning lahat ng number dito na lalabas is beyond 5.5. So meaning wala namang 5.5 na data dito. 5 lang pinakababa. So meaning 6 nag-start until 10. Okay, so that is the using the first highlight cells rules, no? So greater than. Now we need to find the less than. Okay, less than meaning yung pinakamababa. Okay, example, hahanapin natin less than 3. Okay, less than 3. So type 3 dito. So type lang natin yung 3. Okay, so meaning yung hahanapin ni conditional formatting is less than 3, no? So wala pong kasama dito si other numbers, no? Example, si 3 kasi less than 3 man yung ginagamit natin. So 2 and 1 yung ilalagay niya dito. So as you can see, all the highlighted numbers is 2 and 1. So hanapin natin dito si hanapin natin yung equal. So meaning equal number. Example, exact number talaga siya. Okay, we need to find the 7. So kung click mo yung 7, so automatically yung i-highlight niya is all the 7 numbers. Next, we need to find 2. So meaning yung i-highlight ni format cells are equal to. So meaning lahat ng 2. And next is 4. So meaning is 4 yung lalabas, no? So click okay lang natin. So yun yung use ng. Next is we need to find the top 10%. Okay, same lang sila. So pag 10% yung ginagamit natin. The next is hanapin natin si above average, no? Example, above average. Meaning pag above average yung nakalagay is automatically beyond 5. Kasi pag beyond above average yung hinahanap natin, kasi 10 lang man ito, from 1 to 10 yung sample natin. So meaning ano bang above, that is the middle of 10, meaning 5, no? So that is 5, 5.5. So beyond that 5.5 is automatically that is above average. So makikita natin dito is 6 to 10 yung makikita natin na numbers. Okay, so and I hope nakatulong and may natutunan kayo. for this tutorial. So thank you and God bless.